welcome back to today's video. Today I'm here with a Nykaa haul with all of you. I have bought some skincare, hair care and yes, makeup products. So if you want to find out what I have bought for myself, just keep on watching. So guys, as you can see, this box is really big, but as you can see also I have opened this box. I can't hold on to my curiosity when anything comes for me. Okay, the first product which came in my hand is this body care lemon and foot pedicure kit. This is priced at rupees 120. Don't worry, I'm going to review each and every product slowly but surely. The next product is Oceano hand and foot spa. This is the product, as you can see. Now here you will get foot salt cleanser, scrub, cream, anti-pack. Let's see how the product looks like. Okay, sorry, so it just fell down. This is how you are going to receive the kit. Everything is falling down, and in this is also a pedicure kit, and this was also a pedicure kit, and here you will be getting everything in sachets. So these are some products which are new, I believe. The next thing is the specific brightening facial, and the price of this is, can't find the price has to be written here somewhere, 125. This is how it looks like, guys, and this is the back portion of the kit. It says it nourishes, rejuvenates, brightens the skin. I really like the packaging of this, and I believe this is also, now everything is packed. This is also the same thing, guys. You will be receiving everything in a tube like this. I will have to try all these products because these are new to me. And this is the Aroma Insta Party Glow Facial Kit. It comes I think within 70 or 80 rupees. I just thought of buying it and trying it actually. This kit is really very small. Okay, the next thing which I have got is the body care orange peel off mask. I was watching some YouTube videos. From there only I came to know about all these peel off masks. I thought of buying one or two for myself. This is the orange peel off mask. This is how it looks, and the price of this one is, it's not too pricey actually. It's 120. Now I'm just taking out. Okay, now this is the Everyuth Naturals Natural Glow orange peel off mask. This time I have shopped some peel off mask for myself, and this is the smallest pack, and the price, I really can't find the price. Can't find the price, guys. And this is again a peel off mask. This is an orange peel off mask from the brand Body Care, and it says it is paraben free, and that is great. I have seen lot of body care products which are really affordable, but I don't know whether they are good or not, or how are they. Now one sec. Yes, I'm using it actually. This is Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Eye Fatigue Gel. I'm telling you guys, this product is really good when your eyes are tired, and I know there are methods. You can use a spoon also and make your eyes feel fresh, because the spoon is metal which is a little bit cold, and you find it great when you just move it around your eye areas. I don't know whether you know it or not, but this is a seaweed gel, and it comes like that. This, I'm just showing it to you, fully a gel format. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I believe you can see it now. Now when you put it around your eyes feel so relaxed for a long long time, I can tell you. My eyes feels very relaxed. I am not talking that it can remove dark circles or something like that. I don't know, this is not mentioned also over here. It says revitalizing anti-fatigue eye gel, and I really love it. And the price point is also very, from the price point also it is very affordable. It is only of rupees 199, where we buy eye creams for nearly 1000 rupees. Here the eye cream is priced at only rupees 199. This is the next product. This is Jovi's hair serum. If you are watching my videos, you must be knowing that I am a fan of this Jovi's brand. Yes, there are a lot of pros and cons of their products, but anyhow I just love them. I know how to use them, that's the thing. And this is Jovi's hair serum. I believe you can see this, and the price of this one is 310. Now guys, I'm going to show you some makeup products. Now firstly, I would like to say sorry, here I will be doing a little bit cheating. I'm going to show you one eyeshadow palette which I have bought it from some other e-commerce zone, but the thing is that the palette is so nice, so beautiful. I have got it from Flipkart. You can also check it out. I just wanted to show you the palette, that's the reason. This comes from the brand Nicka K. See the palette, there are I think 4 or 5 variants of different palettes that they have launched. This is really pretty, isn't it? See the colors, and I'm planning to buy a few more. I know that I'm not a makeup person, but still too, I'm a girl and I love beautiful colors, and these eyeshadows can be used in many ways. Trust me, I believe this is a great purchase of mine. Now by using this palette, let me tell you, I have used it. You will have fallouts. This palette looks nice. The price is also 350 or something like that, but they are giving it an offer price right now, but you will get fallouts. Let me tell you that also. Okay, I forgot to show you this O3 bubble mask. This is also something which is really new to me. I have got it from Nykaa only. And yes, there are a few more products. This is a Blue Heavens green kajal eyeliner which I have bought, and I love their liners. I have the blue one. This is the second one, priced at 125, and one Lakme iconic kajal, and the price of this is 180. Then I got one K Beauty ka kajal. Let me show you how it looks like. I know that you must be having, or you might have seen it. This is how the product looks like. Now let me tell you what I really felt about it. This is a nice kajal, but if compared to Plum kajal, I would prefer Plum more than K. This is my personal opinion. Opinions varies, Okay, I have bought one more palette from Flipkart only from Nicka K, but see how the palette has came. It got totally damaged while I received this product. It was in this condition, and I'm also one fool. I throw away the bill and everything of this, and then I tried to contact the customer care, and they needed the bill anyways. Actually, it was returned. The product is not returnable. That's the reason. Initially, I I didn't bother. All the glitters are coming out. I didn't bother about the bill or something else. I thought, let it go. I will not receive any other product. Then I contacted them, and then they told me they are going to take back the product, but they need the bill. So guys, if you just see a product which is non-returnable, but you receive the product in a damaged condition, don't throw away anything, any bill or any box. Keep it and then contact the customer care. I have learned my lessons. Now here I have 2 lipsticks. Let me show you one first. This is Faces Canada ka lipstick. The color which right now I am wearing, Dash of Pink is the shade name, and the price, this will be, I can't remember, 450, 650, somewhat like that, and it didn't have any outer packaging. It straight away came like this only. And one more thing I would like to show you. This is another lip color. This is from Swiss Beauty, soft matte lip cream, and the shade is 20 Paris brown. Now this is a color, if you're of my skin tone, you have to really work for this color to pop out well, because this is just like my skin color. Let me show you, but the color is really rich and I really like this color. So this is how it looks like. It's a bit peachy color, you can say. The color is really nice. It doesn't rise up your lips, but the thing is that if I try to wear this color, I have to take a long time and sit and work on my lips. Then only this color will pop out well on my skin. And by the way, if you have pigmented lips, these colors always work out. I have talked about it earlier also. So guys, that was all about my Nykaa haul. If you have liked it, not Nykaa, but Nykaa and little bit of Flipkart. So this was all about my everything actually. If you have liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel. Turn on the bell icon. When I rush very fast, I get tongue twisted, you know. Turn on the bell icon, and until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed. Tata, God bless.